The unexplained illumination, a glimpse into ghost lights. From eerie glows in remote forests to dancing lights on desolate highways, ghost lights have captivated our imaginations for centuries. These mysterious illuminations appear in various forms, defying easy explanations and fueling countless tales of the supernatural. Are they spirits of the departed, mischievous entities, or simply natural phenomena waiting to be demystified? Join us as we delve into the captivating world of ghost lights, exploring their haunting allure and the enduring mysteries they hold. Imagine a flickering light in the distance, a beacon in the pitch black of night. It appears suddenly, dances in the darkness, and then vanishes without a trace. These are ghost lights, also known as spook lights, eerie illuminations reported worldwide for generations. They are often associated with folklore, ghost stories, and unexplained phenomena. The very mention of them sends shivers down our spines. The allure of ghost lights lies in their elusiveness. They are fleeting, often appearing unexpectedly and disappearing just as quickly. This unpredictable nature makes them difficult to study and even harder to photograph or film. Yet, the human fascination persists. We are drawn to the unknown, the mysteries that defy logic and reason. Ghost lights tap into our primal fear of the dark, of the unknown lurking just beyond our sight. They remind us that the world is full of wonders and terrors, many of which we may never fully comprehend. Ethereal orbs and flickering flames, the face of mystery. Ghost lights are as varied in their appearance as the stories surrounding them. Some manifest as faint, ethereal glows, like spectral lanterns floating in the night. Others take the form of more defined shapes, resembling flickering flames, orbs of light, or even glowing human figures. Their colors are equally diverse, ranging from ghostly white and pale blue to vibrant red, green, and yellow. In some cases, witnesses describe the lights as moving slowly and deliberately, as if guided by an unseen hand. Others report erratic movements, with the lights darting and dancing across the landscape, seemingly toying with observers. The unpredictable nature of these movements only adds to the enigma, leaving witnesses both mesmerized and terrified. The sheer variety of forms and behaviors exhibited by ghost lights has led to a wide range of interpretations and theories. Some believe that the lights are manifestations of spiritual energy, perhaps the souls of the departed attempting to communicate with the living. Others speculate that they are linked to electromagnetic anomalies or other unexplained natural phenomena. Regardless of one's beliefs, there is no denying the captivating nature of these mysterious lights. They serve as a reminder that there is still much we don't understand about the world around us, and that some mysteries may forever remain unsolved. Where shadows dance and lights emerge, habitats of the unknown. Ghost lights are often associated with specific locations, places steeped in history, folklore, and tragedy. These locations often share common characteristics, such as remote areas, bodies of water, and sites of historical significance. From desolate highways and abandoned cemeteries to dense forests and rugged mountains, ghost lights seem to prefer places where darkness reigns and shadows hold sway. One possible explanation for this association lies in the power of suggestion. When we hear stories about haunted locations, our minds may be more likely to interpret ambiguous visual stimuli as evidence of the supernatural. This is especially true in dimly lit or unfamiliar environments, where our senses are heightened and our imaginations run wild. Another theory suggests that the locations themselves may play a role in the formation of ghost lights. Some researchers believe that certain geological formations, such as fault lines or mineral deposits, could create electromagnetic fields that interact with the atmosphere, producing visible light phenomena. Others speculate that the presence of methane gas, often found in swamps and marshes, could ignite under specific conditions, creating flickering lights that appear and disappear without warning. Whether these locations are truly haunted or simply subject to unusual environmental factors, they continue to attract those seeking to witness the unexplained.